So we're going to pretend that this is our jelly plate. I can't see how this works. But we'll give it a go. So we want black acrylic. I don't know if you can do it with others. I suppose you can, can't you? I don't have a roller. Well, I do, but it's patterned. Does it matter if it's patterned? I don't suppose it does matter, does it? Let's have a go. Oh, I think it does matter. Yep, that needs washing now. Lovely. You need a flat roller. Rolling pin then. Let's have a look. My bath is going to be full of all these mats again today. My phone thinks I'm a nutter because I keep putting everything in the bath. Right, okay. And then you just put this on there. Do you dry it? Does anyone know anything about this? I can't see how this works. I wonder if you dry it. I did print this out because I wanted to place it flat on your work surface. Choose your image. Oh, a glossy magazine. So this might not work. Leave for 10 to 20 seconds. A ghost image should add. Okay, so I don't think this is going to work. Can't use that. A bit of paper there. Well, that's a crap, isn't it? But you shouldn't dismiss a bit of paper with paint on it, because anything can be done with that. I'm going to go and get a glossy magazine. Right, I'm back. I have a glossy magazine. So let's find a picture. Picture we like. Oh dear. Oh, that's a bit too scary, isn't it? What picture can we use? Oh, that's a nice bedroom. That's a nice bedroom, look. Nice green bedroom. I love the colour green. I mean, does it really matter what the picture is as we're doing a trial? Right, we'll leave that there. Right, we'll try this again. Put that in the scrap box. We'll have a bit more paint. What do I do with that paintbrush? Right, we're I've got wet paint all over that. We've got a glossy magazine. It says to leave it for 10 to 15 seconds, doesn't it? Rub the back fully. I think that's 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, it will be after a bit of tea, won't it? What's this? I've got a flash goal. What does a flash goal mean? View. I don't know what a flash goal is. Anyone know what a flash goal is? Okay. Right, let's take this off. I think this is a load of shit. I can't see no image there. Can you see an image there? Try it and see if there's an image there. I'm a bit blind anyway. Oh, no. No. Muppet. You're supposed to do this, aren't you? See, I do all the cock-ups, so you don't have to. You okay, little boy? We've got cloud today. I don't want to boast or anything, but we have no sunshine. We only have cloud. Well, that's the pattern that I've got. I mean, fair dues, that can be used on something. And we do have Halloween coming, don't we? And bonfire nights.